Hey everybody, it's Evan Schmidt, Santa Cruz Subaru. I am the Love Promise Coordinator and Product Specialist for our dealership. And today we're going to talk about things that are going to destroy your paint on your Subaru. If you find use out of the videos and you get help out of them, please hit that subscribe button. Looks like a little Santa Cruz Subaru wave down there. Really helps me out. Like the videos, lets my bosses know that you guys appreciate what I do, and let me keep doing what I do. Thanks. Let's get into it. All right, so there are a few things that'll absolutely destroy your paint. Here's one, tree sap. Big problem in our area. We have a lot of customers who live in the redwoods. Sap falls on the car. They leave it. It's hot. It bakes into the car. This is unbelievably hard to get off. I would recommend, if this is a problem for you, you get tree sap remover. It's an amazing product, and it gets it off right away. So a very common one, especially in our area, living by the beach, bird poop. We have an unbelievably bad seagull problem at our dealership. We're a mile away from the ocean. We even have a nest of seagulls that lives on our roof. It's hard to see on this car, but see all these little spots. This is in the paint right here. This stuff is not gonna come out. So what happened is this customer, a bird pooped on their car, they left it. Don't know how long. It happens a lot quicker in the summer months when the birds are out. That sun bakes that bird poop in, and it's gonna eat through the clear coat, eat through everything. You clean the bird poop off, and now this is in there. You probably can buff it just a little bit to get it a little bit less noticeable, but this car is riddled with these spots that are in the paint, and they will never, ever come out. So get that bird poop off your car as quickly as possible. All right, so the last one here, it's one that we face a lot in our area. This customer's car is riddled with it. I've been told this is bee poop or bee pollen. So it's like yellow, orangey colored dots. So if you live near lots of plants, there's gonna be bees around you, flowers. This is gonna happen. You need to get these off your car as soon as possible. Just take your fingernail and kind of scratch them off. Because if you don't, like on this customer's car, we're gonna scratch those guys off, and that is in the paint, and it will never, ever come out. So get on this right away, especially in those summer months. Those bees are gonna be out. It's hot out, that stuff's gonna bake into your car. So when we clean this customer's car, he's gonna have yellow dots all over the hood of their car. All right, so the last one here is one that I don't face too much where we are, but if you live in the valley, you're gonna get it a lot, bug damage. So, driving on the freeway, you hit a bug splatters on your car, you don't clean it off, and this is in the paint again. You gotta clean it off. It's very hard to clean off, and then you think you got it, and again, it's in the paint. See all that damage? That's all from bugs. Another quick tip, it looks like this customer tried to do touch-up paint. I don't like touch-up paint. It's a very cheap option. It costs just like 15 bucks for a little tube, and it looks like you fix your car for 15 bucks. And most often when people do it, they do it incorrectly. They don't mix up the bottle, and it just looks really terrible. So unless it's a really small thing, don't use touch-up paint. But so that was the last one, just bug damage. Make sure you get that off your car as quickly as possible. Otherwise, your front bumper is gonna look like this car. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.